I was here for the volunteering and studying Arabic course.
To volunteer and to learn Arabic.
And with the Excellence Center, I was able to meet a lot of other foreigners participating in the same program as I was.
No passing praise, it means no worries for the rest of your days.
I came here to Al with the volunteering with Palestinian refugees program, and I had an amazing time.
2 weeks, and during those 2 weeks I learned Arabic for a couple of hours.
I've had the absolute pleasure of being able to work with Palestinian youths between the age of, let's say, 8 to 16.
I came to volunteer here at the center. I was able to teach English to the little kids, to the teenagers, even to adults, to help practice their English.
So I took part at a program of volunteering and intensive Arabic learning. So I share my knowledge with students, smaller ones, biggest ones. We have collective lessons and also one-to-one lessons.
I have found my time here very educational. I've always been interested in Palestine, and it was really great to be able to talk directly with people living under the occupation about what's gone on in the last year and even before that.
So the program that I chose in order to do the volunteering here was English teaching.
At a time that news of the situation in Gaza are everywhere.
So I was here during Ramadan, and it was so much fun being able to go to different people's houses or having iftar here at the Excellence Center. Was so much fun being able to experience fasting.
I was here on the Teach English and Study Arabic program. So I taught English to Palestinians from like children to adults, and I studied Arabic at like medium intensity level.
Because it was highly recommended, and I found it very professional, and I was well looked after and cared for while I was here, and I have to say that. I have to recommend the Excellence Centre on that.
The team here is amazing people, and I highly recommend everybody to come here and take part in this amazing experience.
I wanted to learn Arabic, but I also wanted to do some volunteering. And when I looked online, the Excellence Center seemed to be a really good choice.